We're in the Hotel Imperial in Rotorua. We spent the day yesterday in the Maori Village, and this is literally right next door.
If you come on the balcony, you can actually see the Maori Village and the steam coming up from the springs over there. It's a bit cold. It's quite better.
Oh yeah, look. There you go. There's the steam coming up from the thermal springs at the Maori Village, and that red roof just there is the reception, the ticketing area. So we're right next door, opposite the Ridges Hotel. Loads of parking. This balcony doesn't have any chairs on it, but we just liked having the window open. Air conditioning works really, really well, because this room was quite hot when we got in here. And not a bad sized room, huge queen size bed. We are on our way out, that's why it's like that. We're just about to leave. Little kitchenette area we didn't use except for to make some tea. It's a little bit noisy because that's a connecting door, and I had their TV on last night, could really hear it, but we didn't get disturbed at all. After about 10:30 it was quiet. So shower room, quite nice shower room. It actually has some nice shampoo and conditioner in there today. Decent wardrobe space, not that we used it because we only stayed one night. We didn't really unpack.
You took a video of the swimming pool, didn't you?
Yeah, there's a swimming pool.
Coldest swimming pool on the planet.
Yeah, it was very cold. We went in, but didn't spend very long in there, but it's a nice area to sit out as well. Okay.
Yeah.
What's the water like, Derek?
It's like a bubbling hot spring. It's almost too warm to get in.
No, you're lying. It's freezing. It's freezing. Nice little area to sit out in the middle of the hotel, but it's very cold water.